Okay, welcome back, everyone. So this is going to be episode 74 of our trading series. We have 57,000 in equity, so we are nearly 6x from our starting balance of 10k in about 3 months ago. So these are our open positions. We have 37 currently open trades. Our biggest win so far this week has been on MUSDT. I actually don't know what this coin does, but I bought it because it looked really good on the trend indicator that I have. I don't know if is it on Bybit? I don't think it's available on Bybit just yet. But yeah, you can see this trend indicator. It's been telling me to just buy the dips on it. And I got into it, but this is on MEXC, so I had more price history. Anyway, let's start things off by sharing the track record P&L of our account. So last 120 days, you can see the cumulative P&L. You can do a bar chart, should be easier. Yeah, so the last 120 days, you can see our cumulative P&L. So we're up $48,000, which is, yeah, super good trading for us. I'm pretty happy with myself. Obviously, a lot of it is due to luck and the market, but the way I structure the book is that we have an equal amount of longs and shorts, at least notionally speaking. So you can see we have longs and shorts and a lot of shorts as well. So it's a real mix, but our P&L has been pretty consistent. We had some decent drawdowns, about $10,000, $11,000 a month ago, but now, yeah, we've had a pretty good run. Today we're up 8%. Last 7 days up 12%. And yeah, I just like to start each video doing this because nobody that I know shows their P&Ls on YouTube or Twitter. No one actually shows the record. It's a pretty dark place if you're following influencers and crypto traders, because you don't know what they do. They just post wins, or they post their demo accounts, or they just have two positions on different exchanges, like a long and a short, or on Bitcoin, and whichever one is in profit, they'll just screenshot or upload that. So I like to be super transparent. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna try and get to 100k. That would be amazing. That'll be a 10x this year. Our current stats are, we're running about 1.2x leverage, so pretty low leverage. I'm not fully focused on this at the moment on trading, because I'm focused on a bunch of other projects in crypto as we speak. So if you look at position history, I closed a bunch of longs today. You can see all closed. And that was today, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. So I closed Useless, Solo, Soon, H, Vic, and Newt. So yeah, Useless closed for 6.8k profit. So I don't obviously, I think you hardly ever see me enter trades on these uploads. This is more me just showing you the state of the book. And then when and if something happens, I'm going to rebalance every couple of days. Right now, the market itself, let's do a quick analysis, because I do have to go to training. BTC all-time highs, right? This is exactly why I was telling you that you do not want to be shorting BTC. It's an asset that's almost programmed to go up, right? So we broke through all-time highs. I think this is the place where you just long your longs and you don't do anything. I don't think you want to be doing anything right now. Yes, we can obviously mean revert and go back inside the range, but I don't think it's a smart idea to be fading all-time high breaks, because this shit can go to 140, 150k, right? You just don't know. So that's kind of my plan. I've got some Bitcoin longs, not as much as I want, but I am holding on to what I have, right? ETH BTC, it did a pretty good bounce. I do think, yeah, ETH is at that 3,000 psychological level of resistance, but I would bet that, you know, the whole market goes higher. Sol very weak compared to the rest. Yeah, Hype still looking strong as always, trying to go for all-time highs. Let's have a look. Yeah, Hype is trying to push for all-time highs. Volume is very low, but maybe we'll break through that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna stop here, to be honest, because I have somewhere to be. I thought this would just be a quick update. My thoughts on the market is that, actually, let's show you. All right, so let's have a look by volume. Okay, top coins by volume, right? Look at the funding rates, 24-hour funding rates. Pretty positive funding across the board, right? Mostly positive. I would say, yeah, be directionally long, but somewhat cautious. Funding is not that high. It's really not that high. But yeah, you do want to be a little bit cautious, especially after such moves up. Because if Bitcoin decides to do this, altcoins, you know, ETH is gonna, or all these shit coins, altcoins, are gonna go like this, much more aggressively. And Melania, to be honest, looks like a really good short here. Yeah, Melania looks like a good short. So yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna, yeah, as those of you who send me DMs, if you are interested in the Telegram group that is free of charge, you just have to trade on an exchange that I leave the description in each video. So you have to make an account and trade on it. Then I'll give you access to the Telegram channel where you can ask me questions about the market, about what I'm in. You can see all of these positions in real time. And if you want access to these indicators as well that I use, they're custom, so it's invite only. Same deal goes. If you make an account on one of the exchanges that I support, work with, trade on there, then you can have access to those content, to the indicators as well. I'm gonna leave now. Hopefully you guys enjoy the sunny weekend wherever you are. And I will upload this now, probably take another 2-3 days to do the next update as well. All right, peace.